What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today I wanted to do a quick video on the 99 Wide Glide. If you've watched some of the other videos, you know that we've done some upgrades to it. I had some paint work planned and some other things for it. That's all done now, so I wanted to give you a look at it. This is a first look of what it looks like after it's been painted. So hopefully here I can figure out how to edit in some before and after footage so you can see what the bike looked like before and what it looks like now. So I've got it here in the garage under some LED lights right now, and then I'll take it out in the sun. It's kind of a sunshiny day today here in the late winter, so I'll take it outside and maybe get a look at it under the sun. So here's how it turned out. Turned out pretty good, I think. We weren't really going for a show look or anything like that, but I like the color, the way it turned out. It's just a custom blue that I picked off of a paint chart at the local paint supply place. It's supposed to be a cobalt blue, or cobalt blue was what I was shooting for anyway, and I think it turned out pretty good. Myself, I like the color of it. It's got some pearl in the blue, but yeah, put the floorboards on it. One of the other videos that you've seen, or hopefully you've seen, it's on the channel anyway, we put these buckhorn bars on it. Got those CVO decals there, or emblems, on the side of the tank. And what else? We've the floorboards, the bars. That's really all I've changed on it aesthetically. We also went through the cam chest, updated the cam tensioners and things like that. I appreciate you watching very much. I know this was just a short, quick video, but like I said earlier, all I wanted to do was kind of show you the bike now, what it looks like and how it looks with some of the upgrades we've made on it. So if you've watched this long, I really appreciate it. Check out the other videos on this channel, and also my new channel, A Man on a Motorcycle. That channel is about ride-alongs, vlogs, gear reviews, stuff like that. So check that out, A Man on a Motorcycle, if you're interested in those kinds of things. Appreciate it very much. Y'all have a great day.